Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Kyla and today I'll be showing you how I designed these Harry Potter inspired birthday invitations. If you haven't already seen my Christmas shirt, I will link that video in here as well somewhere. And I hope you all enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. So this is what I ended up coming up with. I've got the silhouettes of Hermione, Harry and Ron on the front, as well as the Hogwarts castle with the golden snitch in the background. And I have sized it to fit onto an A4 piece of card once it's folded in half. And then I'm going to flip it horizontally so that it will cut correctly. And now I'm going to be choosing my material, and today I'm going to be using heavy cardstock because the cardboard that I have is pretty thick. And I'm going to go and get my material ready. By the end of doing these 10, my fingers were real sore. So if you have a scoring pen, that'll probably be easier than going through and folding them all in half like I have. And then I'm just going to load them all onto the mat one at a time and load them into the Cricut. I've left this in here because I don't know about you guys, but there's just something so satisfying about watching the Cricut cut the design out of the cardboard or even vinyl, whatever you're using. Leave a comment below if that's the same with you as well. Now I'm just going to unload the mat, and then the same with the vinyl is peel the mat away from the material. And oh, that was very satisfying as well, seeing the cutouts left on the mat. Now I'm just going through and doing the rest of the cards. So I've just cut this so that it's just a little bit smaller than the size of the image that we cut out from Design Space. And then these inners, I designed them just on Excel. If you want a tutorial on how to do that, then let me know in the comments and I will be happy to do that for you as well. Now we're just setting the cards up, putting all the gold inserts into the front of the cards to complete it. And if you enjoyed this video, let me know down below and I will probably put the rest of the party decorations that I'll probably be making. I'll do videos on those as well if you like. But I really thank you guys all for watching my videos and helping my channel grow. If there's any other kind of videos you'd like me to do, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!